Kementerian Joko Sarkar Jela ke Kong Ampareen Lingdo ha khadwai trek unaitung kalalat nya ke jingmen saw hadian bamaka pakayeng jongka kalakam bikla sha Thombor ki katu kani kirunar hakayeng sa jongka ba Laitumkhrah ke Kong Ampareen kalongru baladan wei ubriu bla Pyrshang Thombor deka menen janmiet badudei ujur ubriu bla ju Pyrshang man Thombor deka haswak election arjar pulai ke Kong Ampareen laithu boni ubriu bla tip kerteng kum Thombor leteng na kharmal ki bla Pyrshang man pen mesaw ka dak Waitbnoh ha kapor news teng janmiet ke bamaka ukurim ukun rival jongka kidang mi shabar ban thwet ikirunar ki ba wan ban kawang mau ya ka yeng jongka marisha lun mau ka yeng jongka ka yathu bakala pentip superintendent of police bat kat hadu mentala yo Waitbnoh yo ni ubriu ki pulit ru kila poi hakni jaka bat kemno sundan yu.
I had just finished my Zoom meeting with farmers because so many groups of farmers kept wanting to meet me and they were from different parts of the state. So some of them I kind of fixed Zoom meetings. So I was having one such Zoom meeting with one group of farmers. And as soon as that finished, I just heard crashing sounds towards my own bedroom. Then I told people what happened. By the time we came to see this, already my daughter's room was also attacked. By the time we figured that out, then when we came back to the place where I was having Zoom, the whole glass was attacked by pelting. My husband, my son, my driver all went in different directions because they saw the CCTV and noticed this person. So they went out to look for this person. While these people were still looking for this person, that suddenly a person just came and he just attacked me. Then I screamed out, and by then my husband, who was a little ahead, my son and all came running back. They realized that he was holding a dao in his hand, and that is when I screamed. And my husband said, he's got a huge khasi knife. And they tried to first make sure that he didn't harm me with that knife, with that huge Waitbnoh, we call it. And by then, when I first heard the pelting, the first person I called was the SP. So by then the cops came and all that. And I was too shocked to know that he had a weapon and all that. So it took a bit of while, and then in the meanwhile cops came. So that is what exactly happened. Yeah, there are likely few people here and there who will do anything to even harm me. Maybe that has just proven. But I appeal to people who love me. Don't look at this as something that I am intimidated by. I am not afraid, and I will continue to work hard, and I will continue to speak. I will continue to be the voice of the people of the state of Meghalaya. I will not be afraid. Please, people who love me, don't take this personally. I am a little shaken, but it's okay. I'll get over it. The cops came, and I don't think that it's about hate or love. It's about some people just not liking me. But the same person has attacked me before, also during my election. I wish I had taken that attack on me seriously so that he would have been put away. But like I said, I don't feel that we should make enemies like this. But well, that is what happened, and it's not the first time that I have been attacked, so it's okay.